Hi everybody, welcome back for another video. Today is something that we haven't done in quite a while, but it is an unboxing that I got from Bree from Documented Journey. She always reuses packaging, which I love. So I'm gonna see if I can get this sticker of hers off, and it should come off pretty well because it's on plastico. There we go. Good, yay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put one of her lovely penguins in my journal. We'll mark it we'll put it on the bottom right-hand corner. Boop. There we go. I placed an order, about a week or so ago for this, and it was a special order. It was a custom order, and this is her new business card that has one of her beautiful paintings on it and one of her first sceneries that she did. I kind of think like Bob Ross, but with watercolors. That's lots of happy little trees and a happy little cloud. Here, let's put this down for right now with the washi. There we go. And we'll do some journaling on Twitch tomorrow and brush lettering with that. But if you've watched any of my Twitch videos or my One Book July videos, you have seen that I've moved everything into all of my cork folios and traveler's notebooks. And what we have here is going to be this size. It is passport size. So let's see what we have here. So it's something that I had been thinking about for quite a while. Oh, it's so beautiful. So I got the honey. This color of cork is called honey. This darker brown is called branch. The green here is called avocado. And I have one honey in the beautiful A5 size. But I wanted to add some special modifications to this. In the past, on notebooks, I've ordered a folder on the, or a pocket on the front where it's top loading like this. And you know, usually you don't put that much in there, but you can fit like a pen, depending on the size of your notebook. You could probably even fit a medium to small sized phone in there. But I use the passport size as a wallet. So I've got, you know, my calendars in there, my weekly, my monthly. I've got my, there's my monthly, here's my weekly, and then I have a blank, sometimes a dot grid, sometimes a grid for notes, for like grocery lists, for, you know, to-do lists when I'm out. Plus I have the zipper pouch that holds like, you know, my COVID shot information and like my wallet type cards and stuff. But I was wanting some modifications to this and to this. So what I did was, you can see I added a pocket on the front, but the pocket runs the whole length or the height of the notebook. And the reason for that was I don't have any cash on me, but I was thinking, since I use this as my wallet and I'm out and about, in order to make a transaction quick, I could put my receipt in here, I could put the cash in here, and then I could close the elastic, and it's not gonna come out. It's gonna stay inside with this top loading slot. I'll even put the elastic on. See how whatever's in there, yes, it's kind of held in there, but it starts to wiggle out and can, you know, depending on how much stuff you put in here, can get loose. So I was wanting something that could stay in there and, you know, out of sight fast, and then, you know, no one would know that you even had it in there. And I also wanted to add card pockets. So here's one at the top, and I wanted them on the front and the back. And then the folio, the large pockets. So what I would do for this is treat this like, so this should be like, it's a little bit wider, but not much. Put my inserts in here like this, my center insert. Put my monthly up front. Put my weekly in the back. Put my writing board in the back just to give it a little bit of structure. And so there I've got all of that stuff in there. And then I'll do this at a later date, but then I can put my cards in there. And that will have everything that I need. Look at that. Isn't that so, so, so cool? So it's a little bit lighter of a color, and people have asked, you know, like, what does the cork feel like? It's really soft and smooth. You really don't feel much of the texture of the cork. Maybe if you had a little piece, Kitty saying hello, if you have a little piece like that, you might feel. But other than that, no. And I got it with the green elastic because I have black and brown, and it'd be nice to have some green. So that's what I wanted to show you. Just a quick little unboxing of my newest cork folio passport size from Brie, and I'm super excited to have this. And that's one thing that's really nice with Brie is, you know, if there's like a modification that you want, send her an email and, you know, she'll work through it with you. And, you know, she made a template. She sent me some photos of the progress. I'll include them here so you can see. The finished product. I'm very, very excited to be using this. Okay, I will link Brie down below, her Instagram and her web page, Documented Journey. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.